Left Valenciennes at just after 1:10 in the afternoon. Rain pouring down on the riders and everybody clad against the pouring rain with their rain jackets on. The wind coming mainly from the right-hand side into the face. There were some early moments where it looked like there might be a breakaway. Ultimately, nothing happened. But the biggest headline of this year's tour so far is this, and it's an unfortunate one. The loss of the green jersey, Jasper Philipsen out of the Tour de France. Jonathan Milan took the intermediate sprint at 60.1 kilometres to go for the team of Lidl Trek. And Jasper Philipsen just had immediate knowledge that he wasn't going to continue in this year's Tour. Brian Cocker moving to the right-hand side, bumping handlebars with the rider from the team of Intermarché. And that was Lawrence Rex. The medical team looking after Philipsen, unable to continue. Victor Campenaerts pouring water on his head. Must be getting a little bit warmer out there on the roads. Throws the water bottle into the team car. Something I've just heard on Radio Tour, Brian Cocker being asked to go to the red car.
Ooh, maybe yellow flag time. Remember those yellow flags?
Yellow flags, yellow cards are now being given. Nico, keep an ear on Radio Tour because something is happening. Just heard the name of Brian Cocker. Did they just give him a yellow card?